SouthCoast Heat and Air has earned its reputation as the go-to HVAC contractor in Friendswood, Texas, known for unwavering quality and exceptional service. Our team of seasoned technicians brings a wealth of expertise to every project, ensuring that your heating and cooling systems receive top-notch care. Whether it's installing cutting-edge HVAC systems, providing prompt repairs, or optimizing energy efficiency, SouthCoast is dedicated to exceeding your expectations. Our commitment to customer satisfaction and community engagement sets us apart. For all your HVAC needs in Friendswood, trust SouthCoast Heat and Air, the name synonymous with reliability and excellence. Call us today and experience the difference in comfort and service. What is the importance of hiring a professional HVAC contractor? Hiring a professional HVAC contractor like SouthCoast Heat and Air is paramount for ensuring optimal home comfort and system longevity. Professionals bring expertise to installations, repairs, and maintenance, guaranteeing efficient and reliable performance. What are the factors to consider when choosing an HVAC contractor? When selecting an HVAC contractor, it's crucial to consider factors that ensure quality service and long-term satisfaction. SouthCoast Heat and Air stands out by prioritizing experience, expertise, and customer satisfaction. Can you get a free quote from SouthCoast Heat and Air in Friendswood, Texas? Absolutely. SouthCoast Heat and Air is pleased to offer free quotes for all your HVAC needs in Friendswood, Texas. Whether you're looking for a new installation, require repairs, or need a maintenance plan, our team is ready to provide transparent and detailed estimates tailored to your specific requirements. What are the areas near Friendswood, Texas does SouthCoast Heat and Air provides HVAC services? SouthCoast Heat and Air proudly extends its exceptional HVAC services beyond Friendswood, Texas, catering to neighboring cities in the region. Our professional team serves a broad spectrum of communities, ensuring homes in Santa Fe, Dickinson, Marque, Alvin, League City, Webster, Texas City, Seabrook, Pearland, Galveston, Porte, South Houston, Pasadena, Deer Park and surrounding areas receive top-notch heating and cooling solutions. Wherever you are in the vicinity, trust SouthCoast Heat and Air to bring reliable expertise and unmatched service to your doorstep. Where is the location of SouthCoast Heat and Air in Friendswood, Texas? We are located at 306 West Edgewood Drive, Friendswood, Texas 77546. Our phone number is 281-725-6005. Visit our website, www.southcoast.com/service area Friendswood TX air conditioning heating, with dashes in between each word.